Told you. Told you. It's just inside, it's quiet, innit?
Yeah, but they were silent ones.
Here we go. Mad. They're beautiful though, aren't they, if you think about it? Oh yes. Wow.
I like the ones that would fall down, like raindrops.
They are beautiful though, aren't they? They're better than last year's.
When you were little.
I told college that a few years ago when we went, I was like, little, I wanted to go, Dad wanted to go near the pub and watch them, and I just ran home. Guys, I'm gonna upload as soon as I finish, guys. Make sure you like, subscribe to notifications. This is just a special last video for tonight. Have a reminder on how nice tuning in. They're so beautiful. I know.